How to see sent follow request on Instagram. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see sent follow request on Instagram. To see the follow request you have sent on Instagram, you cannot view them directly within the application. Instead, you need to download your account data to access this information. For that, open your Instagram application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are logged into your account, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Once you do so, you will reach to your profile page. Here you will need to tap on the three horizontal bars at the top right corner. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to the settings and activity page. Once you reach to the settings and activity page, here you need to tap on your activity. Once you find this Your Activity option, you will need to tap on it, and inside it, here you will need to scroll all the way down, and at the very bottom you will see Download Your Information option. Tap on Download Your Information, and once doing that, you will be redirected to the Meta Account Center. Here you will need to tap on this Download or Transfer Information button. Once you tap on it, here you will need to choose your Instagram account. Tap on the checkbox at the right side of the Instagram and then tap on Next button at the bottom. Here you will be able to choose your type of information, whether you want to download all the valuable information or some of your information. Tap on the Some of Your Information, and once you reach to this page, here find the Followers option. Scroll down and find this Followers and Following. Once you find it, tap on it and then tap on Next button at the very bottom. Once doing that, again you will be taken to a new page. Here you will get two different options, whether to download it to your device or transfer it to a new destination. Select Download to Device and then tap on Next button below. Now you will reach to this page. Here make sure the format is set to HTML. If any other options are selected instead of HTML, then you need to simply select the format option, and from here you need to select HTML. Now once you have selected HTML, tap on this Create Files option at the bottom. Now your information will be downloaded. This may take some time depending on your data. Once the HTML file is downloaded, you will get the confirmation message. Then you will need to open the downloaded HTML file and navigate to the section labeled Pending Follow Request to view the sent follow request. Now you can simply tap on this Done button and wait for the confirmation message. This method is currently the only way to check your sent follow request on Instagram, as direct viewing options are not available in the app itself. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.